So Atlantic College's vision is about creating a greater peace and environmental sustainability in the world. And it does so by having the most diverse group of students possible that you can imagine. So connecting with those from around the world here, but also connecting with the people of Wales. The college is more relevant now than ever before. Before the college was located here, William Randolph Hearst was the one who owned this castle, and during his time was able to bring a number of interesting people here to the college, from JFK. Your Frank Sinatra was another person who came in to perform here as well. But perhaps even more importantly, tremendous number of people who are activists, politicians, who are trying to change the world in many different ways. And so that diversity of the kind of people that this place has attracted, for me, is what's so special about it.
We're from all over the world. I've never felt more at home with so many people. It's amazing.
It's like a little bubble of just like passionate people from different backgrounds that want to make a change.
Yeah, I interact with so many cultures. If I was learning about these cultures, it's not the same way as growing in these cultures. Yeah, you feel the differences, then you begin to love the differences and love the world as a whole.
Because it's basically the whole world in one castle.
This college is so unique in what it does. When you combine the place in which it is located, where it lives in Wales, it's the way in which a former head described it to me. He said, when you arrive, you will feel it is magic. And it is magical here every single day.